This video is all about observing shapes. This is where you're given a shape and you may be asked to record how many rectangles you can see. When it says that you can see, it also means the shapes that are within those other shapes. So you may need to draw them out. Obviously, we can definitely see 1, 2, 3 here, but there are actually more within. For example, you have a big rectangle on the outside. You then have this rectangle here, and there is one on the other side too, and then in this part you have the two smaller rectangles. Therefore there are one large one, two here, and another two here, which means altogether there are 5. Other styles of observing shapes questions are ones such as the above, where it might say which one is the odd one out. Okay, so if we look at the shapes, and this is where you have to look at them carefully, you can see here that on this shape there are 2 horizontal lines, but then there are also 2 on this shape and 2 on this shape. So currently they are the same. They all have a dot and are still the same. We then look at another part. So if we look at this line here, this one crosses right through and down. However, this one doesn't go right through, but this one does. So therefore at the minute, this shape here looks like the odd one out. If we check on this line, this one stops there, this one goes right through to the bottom, and this one stops at that line. So this shape here is definitely the odd one out. For this case, just look carefully, take each single part of the shapes and look and check and make sure that everyone has the same part, and if not, they must be the odd one out.